GoodDay Expenses is a powerful module that allows you to efficiently track and manage all types of expenses. It enables you to link expenses to workspaces, projects, and tasks, generate detailed reports, implement management workflows like expense approval and reimbursement, integrate expense data with finance reports, and much more. To get started, navigate to Settings and go to Billing and Finance, then select Expenses. If the module is currently disabled, you'll need to enable it first. Next, set up your expense categories by clicking Add. Enter a name for the category and select the expense type. GoodDay supports both amount-based and unit-based expenses. If you're using the expense approval and reimbursement features, you can also configure default statuses for these options here. In the Expense Settings section, you can enable expense approval, expenses reimbursement, and choose whether to allow submitting expenses toward tasks. To begin tracking expenses for a project, navigate to the Project folder, click Add View, and select the Expenses view. To add a new project expense, click New Expense. Enter the expense details, including the date, expense type, name, amount, and any comments. You can also attach a receipt if needed. The Expenses view is fully customizable, allowing you to modify columns, group data by any field, and apply sorting and filtering to better suit your needs. Please note that you can only submit expenses to folders where expenses are enabled. To enable or disable the ability to submit expenses for a specific folder, go to Project Info, Settings, Work Items, and toggle the Expenses option. Linking expenses to tasks enhances financial tracking and provides a clearer allocation of costs to specific work items within your project. To submit an expense for a task, open the task and click Add Expense. Once submitted, you can view all task-related expenses and their total in the Expenses tab of the task. Note that all task expenses are also visible in the Project Expenses view, offering a comprehensive overview of your project's costs. The Expenses view allows you to create custom views, which can be used for both management and reporting purposes by applying various conditions. To create a new view, click Add View, Management, and select Expenses. You can either start from scratch or choose one of the available templates. As with other custom views, you can set a name for the view, select its displayed location, share it with colleagues, and apply different data conditions to tailor it to your needs. The Expenses Approval feature enables you to establish a workflow for approving or rejecting expenses before they are finalized. First, ensure that approval is enabled in the module settings. Next, review your expense types and set the default approval status. For example, you might set travel expenses to approval pending, while office supplies expenses could be approved by default. Expenses can be approved by an organization manager or any user with manager access to the person who submitted the expense. If you're approving expenses for other users, we recommend creating a custom view using the Pending Approval template. This view will display all expenses awaiting approval, making the review process more efficient. The Expenses Reimbursement feature works similarly to Expenses Approval. Start by ensuring that reimbursement is enabled in the module settings. Next, review your expense types and set the default reimbursement status. Reimbursement can be processed by an organization manager or any user with manager access to the person who submitted the expense. Linking expenses to project finance enables accurate tracking of project costs and seamless integration into financial reports for improved budget management. There are several ways to achieve this. In our example, We incorporated expense data into the portfolio view and created a custom field for budget remaining, calculated as the budget field minus total project expenses and labor costs. We hope you found this tutorial useful. For more information, please visit our support center or contact us.